Are you considering a career as a graphic designer or curious about how much they earn? Let's dive into the details of what you can expect in terms of pay and opportunities in this creative field. Graphic design is a highly versatile profession that combines artistry with technical skills to create visually engaging content for businesses, brands, and individuals. Whether it's designing logos, websites, advertisements, or packaging, graphic designers play a crucial role in shaping how messages are communicated visually. But how much can you actually earn in this line of work? Well, the average pay for graphic designers typically ranges from $15 to $35 per hour, depending on your experience, location, and the type of projects you take on. For entry-level graphic designers, hourly rates usually start at the lower end of the scale, around $15 to $20 per hour. This is common for those who are just starting out in the industry, especially freelancers or recent graduates who are building their portfolios and gaining experience. At this stage, clients or employers may be more focused on your potential rather than your track record. However, don't let the starting rate discourage you. As you develop your skills, master industry standard tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, and build a strong portfolio, you can quickly increase your earning potential. Networking and marketing yourself effectively can also help you secure better-paying projects. Mid-level and experienced graphic designers often see their hourly rates increase to anywhere between $25 and $35 per hour, or even higher in some cases. By this point, you've likely honed your craft, built a solid reputation, and established relationships with repeat clients. Designers at this level are often entrusted with more complex and high-profile projects, such as branding campaigns or website redesigns. Additionally, if you specialize in a specific niche, such as motion graphics, UX/UI design, or packaging design, you may be able to command premium rates. Specialization not only sets you apart from the competition, but also allows you to target industries or clients willing to pay more for your expertise. It's important to note that location and employment type can also influence your earnings. Graphic designers working in major cities or tech hubs often earn more due to higher demand and cost of living. Similarly, full-time employees may receive benefits like health insurance and paid time off, which can add value beyond their hourly wage. On the other hand, freelance graphic designers have the flexibility to set their own rates and choose their clients, though they are responsible for managing their own taxes and benefits. Balancing the pros and cons of freelance versus in-house work is an important consideration when determining how to grow your career and income. In conclusion, a career in graphic design offers a wide range of earning possibilities, from $15 per hour for beginners to $35 or more for seasoned professionals. Your income will largely depend on your skill set, experience, specialization, and how well you market yourself. Whether you're looking to work as a freelancer, join an agency, or become an in-house designer, the opportunities in this field are vast. With dedication, continuous learning, and a strong portfolio, you can steadily climb the pay scale and enjoy a rewarding career in graphic design.